guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you guys back. Thank you for tuning in again, you guys. In this video, I am going to be basically just raving about this product that I've been loving so much. So much. I thought, you know what? It's late. It's about time for me to go to bed. Let me turn on this camera real quick and talk about how much I am just in love with this product. I was thinking about it. Earlier today, I was washing my girls' hair. And it's always hard for me to find like a really good product for their hair. I've gone through many produccts, and I am someone who loves to use natural hair care products. I don't like to use those products that have harsh chemicals in them. I want to use something that's a little bit more sensitive to their hair, to their scalp. I don't want anything that's going to strip out their natural hair oils or make their hair dry and brittle like it already is. So I'm like, I need good products. So I went by a couple of products that I can honestly say I did not like, I did not enjoy. I went through Shea Moisture. I've used the whole kid line Shea Moisture products in their hair. They are toddlers. So their hair texture changes. So I think right now their hair is pretty much settled into the texture that it's going to become. So I wanted a staple product, or at least a good product that I can use to their hair. Shea Moisture was good for a little while, but honestly speaking, I did not like how it made their hair feel after. I did not like it. I didn't like the shampoo. The conditioner was okay. So I continued using it because really that was like, for me, the only decent kid hair product that I know of that was really good for kids' hair. And it was budget friendly. Yeah, it was $9.99 for the conditioner and the shampoo, but it was budget friendly. And now my girls, they love to roll around on the floor. They love to roll around on the carpet, and their hair gets dry fast. And that's one thing I realized I struggle with when it comes to them. I struggle with keeping their hair moisturized. It's hard, especially if they have curly hair. Their hair texture is not on the kinky side, and it's not on the soft side either. It's curly, so I would say it's like in between. Okay, so you curly hair girls, you tell me what texture is that, but I still struggle to figure out their hair texture. So I was like, okay, so I stumbled upon these products right here. It's the Camille Rose Natural Sulfate-Free Sweet Ginger Cleansing Castor and Aniseed Oil Shampoo. Okay? And let me tell you, okay? So the first thing that drew me to this product is the ingredients. And I am, like I said before, I am very big on ingredients. I feel like if I'm going to put it into my kids' hair and they're young and they're babies, they're like my babies, I don't want to use anything that I know that's going to affect their scalp, their hair, period. I want to make sure that I am using the best ingredients in their little scalp, just because their little head is still tender, it's still developing, and I don't like to use harsh chemicals in their hair. So I was looking at the ingredients, and let me tell you, as I was reading these ingredients, you guys, it just sounded like an opera singing tunes into my ear. No lie. That's how great the ingredients are. The ingredients that are in it, of course, you want to make sure that the first 4 key ingredients are the best. So I was reading the ingredients. It has aqua, which is water. It was infused with ginger roots, aniseed oil, castor oil. It didn't have no sodium sulfate. I'm probably going into 2 months into using this now. And I kid you not, you guys, it does hydrates the hair, it softens the hair, and it straightens the hair. When I'm applying this shampoo into their hair, I love the lather that it gives their hair. I love how, the key thing for me when it comes to shampooing hair is that doesn't leave the hair dry and brittle and straw-like after you're done washing their hair. After you're done washing your hair, that's some things I look into after I'm done shampooing my hair. And I kid you not, you guys, this shampoo literally leaves my girl's hair as if I just conditioned it. Their hair feels so soft to the point to where I'm like, you know what? Forget it. There's no need for me to use a conditioner, just because of how I just love how it make my girl's hair feel. It feels so soft, and the scent smells so nice. It's not overpowering. It smells just right. If you're someone who's a little bit sensitive when it comes to scents, It smells so nice, and I love the scent. I love how I leave my girl's hair feeling. It's exactly as it says on this bottle. This conditioner, like if I'm just doing like a quick conditioner, I would leave it to sit in their hair for like 5 minutes, put a cap on their hair, and leave it to sit for 5 minutes. And again, of course, the ingredients into the conditioner, which is another thing that, like I say, draw me into this product, is the great natural ingredients that's in the product. It's water. It has water. It has Moroccan oil. It has cherry cardamom oil. It has coconut oil, aloe vera juice. So you know what that tells me? That tells me that this product is the best. It's pretty awesome. That tells me that this product is not only has great ingredients in it, but it also, I know it's going to get the job done. And honestly, you guys, this conditioner, it really does penetrate through my girl's hair shaft. You could feel it lathering so nicely. It's like it melts into their hair like butter. Like butter. And that's a word that, and that's something I look for when I use conditioner. And you could see it is literally almost finished. I pretty much almost used all this bottle. These products are amazing. It is amazing. No, this is not a sponsored video. I am not, they didn't send me these products to review. This is honestly, I purchased this product. It's my honest review. This is really going to be a staple product. And then I would follow up with both of these. Sorry if you don't see the cap. I don't know what my girls did with it, but it's actually almost finished. This product by itself, this is the curl maker, and this is a pretty popular one, I realized, from that line. This by itself, I believe it was $19.99. I think it was either at Target or Sally's. $19.99. That's $20 just for this bottle alone. And that's why I tell you, when I go into Target, I see it, I pass it on by. But this time I decided to give it a try, and I'm like, you know what? I'm glad that I made the investment in this product, because at least I know now that I could use a natural product into my girl's hair that's not going to affect their hair. The curl maker, basically the directions say to section soak wet hair with fingers and distribute from roots to the tips of your hair. Re-wet section that are drying, finger style, and let air dry. And it says a microfiber towel may be used for faster drying. So you could use this on wet hair, you could use this on dry hair. I do both with this. Every time I'm styling their hair, I use this on my girl's hair. And they, like I said before, they have curly hair, so this product worked wonders in their hair. And then I would follow in with this curly moisture milk. It's called Curl Love. It's a moisture milk. It has rice and macadamia oil. And it says it's for all curl hair types. And it has natural milks, oils, butter to nourish, moisturize, and elongate dry withdrawn curls. And that is exactly what it does. It really does leave their hair feeling healthy, moisturized, and I love that. And it really does elongate the hair. The hair feels moist. It feels soft. It feels really soft. And sometimes I struggle when it comes to detangling their hair when it's really dry. So now I really don't have to deal with like them having knotted hair. I don't have to deal with their hair feeling so dry and so straw-like, because I'm using these wonderful products in their hair. I honestly, truly love these products, you guys. Like, I really don't have anything bad to say about these products. I normally don't really rave about kids' hair products like that because it's kids' hair product. But you know what? I could honestly say, I mean, adults could even use this too. The Camille Rose Naturals. I believe adults could even use this too, because I've tried it in my hair and I get the same great results as if I use it in my girl's hair. So honestly, mothers could use it, daughters could use it, your kids could use it. It's an amazing product, and that's what I've been using in their hair all winter long, all summer long. And as you can see, all the products are pretty much done. I'm getting ready to go ahead, and once it's completely done, I'm gonna get ready ahead to go back and buy me another one. And I can honestly say these products are honestly going to be a staple product in the hair care regime. And you know how sometimes when you're like, you know, on some product lines, you're like, I only like this shampoo, or I only like the conditioner, and I'm gonna go out and get another different conditioner, or I'm gonna go ahead and get another different shampoo, where I can honestly say you can literally buy this whole product line and you will be pleased. You will be pleased with the whole product line. I love the conditioner. I love the shampoo. I love the leave-in conditioner. And I love the styling, curl maker that it has. The whole product line is awesome. It's amazing. So I would say go ahead, give this product a try. If you've been looking for a really good staple, product that you want to add into your kids' hair care regime, or you want to add into your hair care regime, I say give this product a try. I guarantee you will like it. Yes, I know everybody's hair texture is different. It might work for some and it might not work for others, but I can honestly say I can't say no wrong about this product. This product is truly amazing. I feel great that I was able to make the investment and purchase this product. So it was just a quick video. I hope you guys, enjoyed this video. So comment below, what products are you using in your kids' hair if you do have kids, or have you tried this product in your hair alone? Comment below, let me know what you think. If you try this product, let me know your experience with this product. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I would truly appreciate it if you haven't subscribed already. See you guys again on my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.